Good morning, gang. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, and that makes it a bow tie Tuesday, not a bow tie Thursday. Got to keep you all on your toes. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to continue doing our learning on map skills. Yesterday was a little totals, title, orientation, date, author, legend, scale, source, all the key features on the map. And now today, now that we've got those key features, we're going to dive in a little bit more on map reading and how to read maps, because remember, we got to make sure that we keep the demons away. And maps are life. It's a pretty video heavy day today. There's a couple that you might be able to skip over, particularly steps 3 and 4. You're going to be doing some map work using this little phase 2 half sheet, and you're going to be using this map here. And if you're feeling really comfortable and confident in how to do latitude and longitude and how to use those tools, then you could probably skip the video that is linked in step 3. However, if you need a little reassurance, or you just want a little guidance, or you just miss the sound of my voice, I don't know why you would, but if you do, then please check out the video in step 3. Anyway, on to what you're going to be doing today. There is a graphic organizer linked. It's incredibly simple. It's like a T-chart with some circles on it, and that's going to be used for some latitude and longitude, some key concepts notes. There's a video there. It's about 9 minutes. I've got some awesome artwork in that video. Check it out, but what I want you to do with that is basically just take some notes about latitude and longitude and some of the key lines, and then there's some space to add your own little sketches to see if your artwork can stack up to mine. So that's the first part. We're kind of laying the foundation on latitude and longitude. So you're going to want to check that out first. Then, once you have finished up those notes on this graphic organizer, or again, create your own if you don't want to print, that's totally fine. That's absolutely up to you. But then what you're going to need this little guy here. It says Phase 2, the global grid, latitude and longitude. You're going to need that half sheet, and then you're going to need this map here. Now, that was all given out to you last week or in your pickup bag, so you're going to want to make sure again that you have both of those items, those little guys right there. And there is a video, like I said, that goes with it, and in that video I recap some latitude and longitude stuff, and then I also walk through, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, the first 5 or 6 tasks on here. I go through them with you just like I would if I was in class, so that is an option for you. But if you're looking at that stuff and you're like, no, I got this, I don't need you, Mr. Canton, in my ear, I get it. But that's going to be the first thing that you're going to do. And then step 4 is basically an extension, because after the video runs out and you're done with me, you're just going to finish up this sheet. One thing that I would like you to do, as you are, it says write the name, for example, of the parallel at 0 degrees latitude. All of your answers, you're going to do them right on here. In the video, I also put them on this page, so you're going to put them in both spots. In the video, I really only show you this, but you're also going to be putting your answers on this. So you're going to be writing in both places. Whoa, the colors got all weird there. But anyway, yeah, so you're going to finish up phase 2, and then when you're all done with phase 2, you're going to take out your handy dandy daily checks, learning targets. Now, yours should be done with targets 1 and 2. You should have finished those up at the end of the day yesterday. If you are pulling out your learning target daily checks sheet and you notice there are blank, oh boy, you got some work to do. Please finish up target 1 and target 2. We're not submitting anything with those yet, but please finish those. And then today when you're done, you're going to do target 3. And notice in target 3, it says use the political boundaries of Africa map on page 577. You're like, but I don't have a textbook. Fear not. The maps that you're going to need, there's just 2 of them. The maps that you're going to need are found in the assignment post for today in Google Classroom. It's just 2 pages on a PDF, so you don't actually need the textbook for those. But you're going to finish up target 3 and target 4. And that's really what you got going for today. There's nothing you're submitting or turning in right now for today. Your daily checks are eventually going to be turned in, and some of the other stuff as well, so make sure you're doing it. But really your goal for today, taking some notes on latitude and longitude. There is a video available. I've got some awesome sketches. You do need to watch that video, because otherwise you won't get the notes. So make sure you're watching that video. That's the first thing. Then when you're done with that, you're going to move on into phase 2. Now that you've got a little bit of the knowledge, you're going to start applying that knowledge. There's an optional video with the phase 2 stuff. There is an optional video that you can choose to watch and work, or you can just dive right in, and then after you finish that, you've got your daily checks, targets 3 and 4. That's really all we got for today. Nothing to submit. I hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, and I'll talk to you later. See ya. Oh, be bold, be kind, make good choices. There we go. See ya.